If you are a realtor and you are not actively using keywords, you're probably leaving money on the table. My name is Crystal Washington. I'm a technology strategist and futurist and keynote speaker who speaks all over the world to real estate professionals. Today's tip in this video, we're going to talk about the importance of making sure that you include your keywords specifically into social networks. Now, you've probably heard of keywords, you've heard of SEO, search engine optimization. Keywords are those words or terms that you want to be found for online. And so most of you, if you have your own website or you know too much about websites, you know that keywords are integral to having a successful website. However, there are a few social networks that also run on keywords, namely for you, LinkedIn and YouTube. And so one of the first things that you can do is go to your LinkedIn profile and make sure that the words or terms that you want to be found for are included in your personal profile and your company page if you have one, because you cannot get found via LinkedIn search if those words are not included somewhere in your profile. So if you only refer to yourself as a realtor and nowhere do you mention real estate professional and someone types in real estate professional, you can't pop up for that. One of my favorite tools that can help you, sit down for a few moments, start to jot down all the different things that you want to pop up for. Not only realtor or CRS designation or whatever other things apply to you, but think about all the areas that you specialize in. So make sure that you put that. So it might be county information, city, specific neighborhoods, if you will. If there's certain things that you specialize in as well, like maybe first-time home buyers or first-time home ownership or anything like that, make sure that all those terms are included as well. So start jotting down that list. And then if you need some additional help to brainstorm some more, go to Google Keyword Tool. If you don't know how to get to it, Google Keyword Tool. Type in those lists of keywords that you already created, and it'll give you even more options. Make sure that they're included, again, somewhere in your LinkedIn personal profile as well as on your company page. Now, the keyword tool is probably going to give you more than what you actually need. That's okay. Just get a few that are really, really good, strong keywords that you see there's a lot of searches for. Go ahead and plug those in. Additionally, YouTube runs on keywords as well. So if you're creating videos for your listings or your business or any type of video representation, make sure that you put your keywords in the title and the description of the video as well to get the most amount of views possible through searches. If you like this video, if you like the tip, if you find it helpful, please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get in the know on future videos. And if there's something that you want to hear about in the future, go into the comments section, let me know.